Welcome to Webstar Plus. I have an exciting video for you where I will reveal the incredible power of ChatGPT in optimizing your digital marketing strategy. I will show you how to leverage ChatGPT for effective keyword research, crafting a robust content plan, understanding search intent for keywords, and generating related and long-tail keywords. It will change your approach to SEO using the latest AI technology. In this tutorial, you will learn how to generate keyword strategy and content plan using ChatGPT, how to get a search intent for keywords using ChatGPT, how to generate related keywords using ChatGPT, how to generate long-tail keywords using ChatGPT. So let's start with the keyword strategy and content plan. A keyword strategy and content plan are essential for SEO as they guide the creation of search engine optimized content that attracts and engages your target audience, thus improving your website's visibility, traffic, and conversions. So here is the prompt. Ignore all previous instructions. Do not use single quotes, double quotes, or any other enclosing characters. Do not self-reference. Do not explain what you are doing. Our requirements are these. Language should be English, and seed keyword or target keyword is JavaScript. This is value for this variable. These brackets show that. Remove these brackets from the prompt. Although these brackets are fine, ChatGPT has no issue with the brackets in the prompt. So our requirements are these two. And instructions are these. You are a market research expert. You are an expert in keyword research and can develop a full SEO content plan. Seed keyword is provided. According to requirements provided, create a keyword strategy and content plan. Create a markdown table with a list of 10 closely related keywords for an SEO strategy plan for the seed keyword. You can adjust this number according to your need. Cluster the keywords according to the top 10 supercategories and name the supercategory in the first column as category. There should be a maximum of 6 keywords in a supercategory. The second column should be called keyword and contain the suggested keyword. The third column will be called search intent and will show the search intent for the suggested keyword from the following list of intents: commercial, transactional, navigational, informational, local, or investigational. The fourth column will be called title and will be catchy and clickbait title to use for an article or blog post about that keyword. The fifth column will be called description and will be a catchy meta description with a maximum length of 160 words. The meta description should ideally have a call to action. Do not use single quotes, double quotes, or any other enclosing characters in any of the columns you fill in. Return your suggestions in a table. I think I can skip this because I have mentioned this at the top. Alright, so we are generating keyword strategy and content plan, and our seed keyword is JavaScript. Here is the table. Category column. These are categories: learning basics, advanced learning, tools and frameworks, career and jobs, performance and optimization. And these are keywords: JavaScript tutorials, JavaScript for beginners, JavaScript algorithms, JavaScript design patterns, React JavaScript, Node.js, JavaScript developer jobs, JavaScript interview questions, JavaScript performance tips, JavaScript code optimization. And here is the search intent for the keywords. This keyword is informational. This is also informational. JavaScript algorithms is investigational. React JavaScript commercial. JavaScript developer jobs transactional. And these are the titles. Unravel the magic of JavaScript, a beginner's guide. Description: learn JavaScript from scratch and give your career a boost. Dive in now to decode the mysteries of JavaScript. JavaScript for the brave. Kickstart your coding journey. Learning JavaScript. Learning JavaScript. Start from scratch with our comprehensive guide and unlock your potential today. Decoding JavaScript algorithms, an in-depth study. Journey into the core of JavaScript algorithms and improve your problem-solving skills. Get started now. Very impressive in my opinion. You can use these categories, keywords, titles, and descriptions to generate SEO-based content for your website or video. Do you see this search intent? It's for keywords. We can get search intent for keywords using ChatGPT as well. Let me explain what is search intent. Search intent for keywords is the motive a user has when entering a search term into a search engine, and its importance in SEO lies in creating content that precisely matches these user needs, resulting in higher visibility, user engagement, and better search engine rankings. So let's generate a search intent for selected keywords, or let's find search intent for selected keywords. Here is the prompt. Ignore all previous instructions. Requirements are these: language should be English, and list of keywords are these. I am choosing to use these keywords: JavaScript, career, community. Use comma separated keywords here in these brackets. And instructions are these. You're a keyword research expert. List of keywords is provided according to requirements provided. Classify them by the search intent, whether commercial, transactional, navigational, informational, local, or investigational. Once done, print them out in a markdown table with keyword as the first column and search intent as the second. Let's see. Our keywords are JavaScript, career, and community. So JavaScript keyword has informational search intent. Career has transactional search intent. Community has a navigational search intent. Okay, we can also generate related keywords. Related keywords are crucial in SEO because they enhance content relevancy, support a broader keyword strategy, increase the potential for ranking on a variety of search terms, and improve the user's navigational experience through your website. Let's generate SEO-based related keywords. Prompt is this: ignore all previous instructions. Second part of prompt is requirements. Language should be English. Seed keyword is JavaScript. We are generating related keywords for JavaScript. Here are instructions. You are a keyword research expert. According to requirements provided, generate list of 10 keywords closely related to seed keyword without duplicating any words. Create a markdown table with 2 columns, keywords and search intent. The first column should be the keyword you generated, and the second column should be the search intent of the keyword, such as commercial, transactional, navigational, informational, local, or investigational. After the table, print a list of same keywords separated by the commas. On the next line, print the same list of keywords at the bottom separated by commas. So our seed keyword or target keyword is JavaScript. So related keywords for JavaScript are these: JavaScript tutorial, JavaScript frameworks, JavaScript for beginners, advanced JavaScript, JavaScript jobs, JavaScript libraries, JavaScript performance tips, JavaScript debugging, JavaScript online courses, JavaScript interview questions. And I can tell that these are pretty good related keywords for the keyword JavaScript. So using this prompt, we got related keywords, search intent, and list of same related keywords separated by commas. Okay, we can generate long tail keywords for SEO as well. Long tail keywords are specific, often longer search phrases with a lower search volume but higher conversion value. And their importance in SEO lies in effectively targeting niche demographics. competing in less saturated keyword markets, and aligning with specific user intent, you have a higher chance of success with long tail keywords. So let's generate long tail keywords. Here is the prompt. Ignore all previous instructions. Our requirements are these. Language should be English and our seed keyword or target keyword is JavaScript. We are generating long tail keywords for word JavaScript. Instructions should be like this. You are a keyword research expert. According to the instructions, generate a list of 10 long tail keywords for provided seed keyword. Our seed keyword is JavaScript. Create a markdown table with two columns, keyword and search intent. The first column should be keyword you generated, and the second column should be the search intent of the keyword. Search intents are commercial, transactional, navigational, informational, local, or investigational. After the table, print the list of same keywords separated by commas. On the next line, print the same list of keywords at the bottom separated by commas. Alright, so our keyword is JavaScript and we are generating long tail keywords for this word, that is JavaScript. We encountered an error, so let's try this prompt again in a new window. Alright, same prompt. So these are long tail keywords for JavaScript. JavaScript tutorial for beginners, best JavaScript courses online, how to debug JavaScript in Chrome, JavaScript frameworks, comparison, JavaScript interview questions and answers, JavaScript coding challenges, solutions, hire JavaScript developers, and local JavaScript meetups near me, top JavaScript open source projects, JavaScript performance optimization tips. And we've also search intents for these long tail keywords. SEO is easy and effective using ChatGPT. I use these strategies in my blogs. Try these prompts and let me know how your experience goes. You can edit quantity as you like, such as this one, 10 long tail keywords. Also, remove the brackets from prompts before using it. Although brackets and prompts will still work, these brackets show a variable value that you can change according to your requirement. Lots of SEO optimization tips using ChatGPT are coming your way, so stay tuned. If you need anything specific, ask in comments. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.